Key Control plus V. Function paste. Key Control plus X. Function cut. Key Control plus Z. Function undo. Key Control plus Y. Function redo. Key Shift plus delete. Function delete the selected item permanently. Key F1. Function help. Key F2. Function rename. Key F3. Function find files or folders. Key F5. Function refresh. Key F7. Function spelling check. Key F11. Function toggle full screen. Key F12. Function open the save as window. Key Control plus left arrow. Function moves one word to the left at a time. Key Control plus right arrow. Function moves one word to the right at a time. Key Alt plus F4. Function shuts down the selected program. Key Alt plus Tab. Function switch between open applications. Key Alt plus ESC. Functions switch between open applications on taskbar. Key ESC. Functions cancel the current task.